Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be walking you through a fried potato or fry aloo video. This is such a simple meal that's packed with flavor. Today I'm using 2 potatoes, which I've cut thinly because it cooks faster this way. I also prefer my potatoes thinly sliced. I've seasoned my potatoes with chili powder, onion powder, MSG, all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, black pepper, and Caribbean spice and roasted garlic seasoning. All of the ingredients and measurements are listed in the description box below. So if you're interested in learning this recipe, then go ahead and keep watching. So I've added my potatoes to my oil. I'm going to allow it to cook, but I'm going to make sure that all of my potatoes aren't on top of each other. So it's been about 3 minutes, and at this point I'm going to go ahead and add some of my vegetables. So I'm going to go ahead and add my onion. I really like the flavor that onion gives this dish, and it wouldn't really be fried potato without it. I'm going to mix that in. All the while my heat is on low, I'm going to go ahead and add my celery and my chili peppers. I'm going to add some green onions here as well. And also some tomatoes. So it's been cooking for about 3 minutes. At that point I added in my vegetables. There are still some potatoes that have a white exterior, and although they are cooked, I prefer my fried potato to be a golden brown color. So I'm going to continue to allow it to cook. I'm now just going to cover my pan and allow it to cook for about 2 minutes. All of the flavors are coming together so nicely. It smells delicious. At this point, it's a matter of preference. Your potatoes are cooked. However, some people like when their vegetables are a little bit golden, and also when the exterior of your potatoes are a little bit golden, like me. So you would just keep it on for a little bit, just stirring it until it's reaching that golden look. You can also go ahead and taste your fried potato right now and see if there's anything additional that you want to add to it. Maybe some more salt, some more pepper. That is up to you. So at this point my fried potato is done. I'm going to go ahead and take it off of the heat so it doesn't burn. It's reached a beautiful golden texture that I love. It's nicely marinated. I can smell how delicious it is, and soon enough I'm also going to taste how delicious it is. You can go ahead and tweak the ingredients to your liking, add some more, add some less. It's totally up to you. I preferred mine's golden brown, as you can see, so I left it cooking for a little bit longer, but it is done and it's ready to enjoy on its own or even with some roti. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I do hope you enjoyed and give it a try at home. It's a really simple recipe for those days you just want to come home and make something easy but yet still very delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up, share, like, subscribe, and leave all of your comments and questions down below. Also, don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Rebecca's Cookup if you try this recipe so I can repost all of your yummy recreations. Go ahead and check out some of my other videos, which I've linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching and for supporting me. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time.